Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, and it is your free day. So patrons, lions, Fly Babies, today is your day to enjoy yourself. We have a 2-layer cake. The first layer is our 5 routines. The second layer is our free day. So even if you're working, this is the way it goes. So we're going to get up in the morning and we're going to work on our 5 routines. Our morning routine happens before the children get up, even on your free day. Then the children do their routines. Then we're going to do laundry. And while the laundry is washing, we're going to go through our inch of paper. And then we've got the rest of the day until after dinner when we do our after dinner routine and our before bed routine. That's it. Now, if you planned for this by looking in your planner yesterday, you've laid out the food and things that you're going to make. You're still going to make food. You're still going to clean up after the dog. You're still going to tend to the baby. These things are going to happen. So it's not like you can lay on the couch tossing around a head of lettuce with your one hand and eating bonbons with the other. That's not what we're doing today. But we're having a free day where you don't have to work in a zone and you don't have a weekly plan thing to do. Okay, that's it. Now, if you're working, it looks a little different, but it's kind of the same thing. You're going to do the morning routine. You're going to do the kids' routine as part of the morning routine. Then when you're done with that, you're going to do, you're going to go to work. But before you do, you're going to make sure that you know what's going on so that you have everything you need at work. So for example, if you've delegated one of the things to do in the house, one of the 6 routines that are built into the weekly home blessing hour, then you've got that in your head so that you can call your children and remind them, or a child, and then also check up on it when you come home to inspect what you expect. So that's something you're going to do. And then the other thing is that you're going to have a free day. So on your day, when you come home, you're going to still do laundry. You're going to still go through your paper. So those are your morning routine, laundry, paper. You're going to make dinner. While dinner is cooking, you're going to inspect what you expect. Make sure you do your clutter checks. All those things happen every day to stem the tide of clutter. And then you're going to, listen for the laundry so you can put it up. Mine's going right now. And then you're going to, after dinner, everybody's going to do the after dinner routine, and then you're going to do your before bed routine. So let's all talk about the before bed routine. So we've all done our after dinner routine. We have our before bed routine. So our before bed routine, and oh, if you're working, do something nice for yourself. Do something nice. Maybe after you've done your after bed routine, after you've got the kids ready for bed and you've done your before bed routine. Maybe you want to just have a little special time with your husband, or you want to do something nice for yourself. Okay, now maybe you've got that bath bomb you haven't used. That would be fun. All right, so after dinner, before bed routine. Kids, before bed routine, done. Now we're going to do yours, and this is a reminder because we're working on this all summer long. Remember, the kids' before bed routine is remind them about getting ready for the before bed routine, picking up their toys and things they've been messing around with, putting them in their homes, throwing their trash away, putting their dishes in the dishwasher if they had some popcorn or some ice cream. And then they're going to pick out a book. And then they're going to get their pajamas. Then they're going to go in the bedroom, and maybe you have something else for them to do, like make their lunch, or for camp or whatever. And then they're going to go in the bathroom, and they're going to brush their teeth, clean the toothpaste out of the sink, hang up their towel, their little hand towel. They're going to take a bath, maybe wash their hair if it needs to be washed. Their dirty clothes are going to go in the basket or the laundry or the dirty clothes basket, or whatever you've got in there, the laundry hamper. And then they're going to get in their PJs. They're going to comb their hair, or maybe you need to help. They're going to hang up their bath towel, make sure that they can reach the place that it needs to be hung, and show them how so that it will air out and be ready for the next day. And then they're going to have their story. Either they can read it for themselves or you can read it to them. It's your call. 1 book or 2, 1 chapter or 2. Then the kids are done. Now they're in for the night. Make sure they're in bed at the proper time, and then you're going to go ahead and start your before bed routine. So you're going to check your planner. You're going to see what kind of clothes you need to lay out for yourself, shoes, jewelry. You're going to go make your lunch or whatever you have to do in the kitchen. Give a little spritz to the sink and wipe it out. Maybe put the soap in the dishwasher if you haven't already and turn on the dishwasher. You might want to save that to right before you go to bed. It's your call. Then you're going to go in the bathroom and you're going to look at your clothes. If they're still clean, you're going to hang them up to air, or you're going to put them in the dirty clothes. You're going to take your bath or shower after you take your makeup off or your face. Even if you don't have makeup on, you still want to clean your face with a good face cleanser, nothing too strong. And then after your bath or shower, you're going to put some moisturizer on. Did we brush our teeth? I think we already brushed your teeth, but if you didn't, brush your teeth and floss. And then get your PJs on and you're ready. I mean, you may have one or two other things you want to do, and that's fine, like close the curtains or make sure the dog goes out for the last time, and cuddle down in the bed. You've got your book or you've got your videos or whatever you do to relax. And then when it's time to, turn them off, close your eyes, and go to sleep. You might not go to sleep right away, but you will go to sleep, especially if you're getting up when I told you to in the morning, before the family, 30 minutes before. And remember, the little trick to getting up is when the alarm goes off, don't depend on someone else. You set an alarm for yourself, either on your Fitbit or on your phone, or if you just have an old-fashioned alarm clock, I don't care, but it's your responsibility. When it goes off, don't say 5 more minutes. Instead, sit up. You don't have to get out of the bed, just sit up. And then swing your legs over to the side. And then I want you to count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up and go straight to the bathroom and start your day. Do that over and over again until you have developed a personal time clock inside that gets you up in the morning, that you don't want to even lay in the bed. You're awake. You've had a good night's sleep. And that will happen if you go to bed early enough and get up early enough. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.